What's up, guys? Ascended Game, and I'm back for another video. So today's video, as you guys can see the screen, if it's not pretty much what you expected, yeah, I edited the screen. Not edited, I just reset the screen, which is still the same, I guess. My prince hat is still getting stronger. I need to keep him stronger. Yeah. Prince hat is white instead of wearing blue color. It's like a sage right now. This is freaking awesome. You guys can see now. Let me play this and I'll end the video. Okay? Sounds good? Yeah. Let's do that. By the way, it's currently at 729,000. Even with this 729,000, it's still one-shotting them all. I want to get them to a power level of like 1 million, then I'll get Carrot to a power level of like 14 million, then I'll leave Carrot for now. Then take up Prince Art all the way to Awakening 4. And yes, I'll continue spending a lot of times on Carrot then. This space fightress looks like a robot. The space warriors. Which is a female one, of course. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys like this color, and I'll see you on the next one. Leave your comments on what you think in the comment section below, and bye.